that's interesting. That's a bloody stupid place to park. In the cycle lane. Look at that. I mean, what an absolute bell end. What sort of moron would park like that? And that, to me, looks like some crap parking. There's one there blocking the dropped curb. He's still there. Sat there yapping away into his phone. Or is that a different one? I think it's a different one. And here we have some more crap parking outside Elm House as usual. Another professional driver who doesn't understand the rules. One on the pavement there. Hello. Bike parked on the pavement there. As usual, a whole load of them parked on the pavement there. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this plonker. npcoaches.com. Parked in a cycle lane on a red route. Sits there playing with his phone by the looks of it. And that's right outside Peckham Police Station, which gives you a perfect example of how much of a deterrent they are. Hey up! Hey, you can't park there, boy! Put your phone away and move your bloody bus! And that is a stupid place to park. That is a clever place to park. Oh, there's a marvellous place to park. Look at that. One parked on the pavement there. It's an interesting place to park, right in the blind corner there. And there's a motorbike parked on the pavement. There's one on the pavement. And one on the pavement there. It's a double bill. Crap parking. And there's one parked on the footpath there. Look at this. This arsehole's parked in our cycle lane on the red route. Bloody bell end. And some crap parking outside Elm House as usual, forcing traffic into the contraflow cycle lane. What an arsehole. And we have some more crap parking outside Elm House. And the usual crap parking there outside Elm House. Another one parked on the pavement. Oh, we have some crap parking there on the double yellows, forcing traffic into the contraflow cycle lane. idiots parking in the cycle lane. Come in this way. Is he just parking there? Hard to tell at this stage. No, just parking there. Interesting bit of parking, just sat there playing with his phone. Look at that. Echo Kilo 68 Tango November Foxtrot. In the middle of our bloody cycle path. Fucking wanker. And of course, some crap parking outside Elm House. Wouldn't expect anything else.